You're at a dinner party, and the host brings out the wines. Everyone's excited, but oh no, they serve a heavy, powerful young wine first, then follow it with a delicate, refined vintage. The result? That amazing vintage now tastes like plain water. Total buzzkill. Tragic, right? To dodge this disaster, we must protect our taste buds from shock, boredom, suffocation, and confusion, like a wine superhero. You don't want your taste buds getting confused or dulled. You want them to be in peak condition to appreciate each unique flavor. Hey everyone, welcome back to Vio's Food and Wine. Think of wine order like a roller coaster ride for your palate. You want to start with the gentle slopes, gradually building up to the thrilling loops and drops. If you start with the intense stuff right away, your taste buds are too overwhelmed to enjoy the subtler wines that come after. It's like going straight to dessert and then trying to enjoy a salad. Your mouth is just not in the right mood. So here's the classic lineup. 1. Dry sparkling wine. 2. Dry white wine. 3. Intense white or light red wine. 4. Intense red wine. 5. Sweet wine. Simple enough, no? Start light and zesty, end with a bang. But beware of these pairing nightmares. Sweet wine, then bam, dry wine. Nope. Kicking off with a heavy, warm wine? Why? Powerful wine followed by a dainty little number? Disaster. Now let's chat about the age thing. During a meal, go from oldest to youngest. Older wines are like your wise grandma, full of finesse. If you start young, you might miss out on all that wisdom. But at a tasting, flip it. No food means your taste buds are on high alert. There you have it. Everything you ever wanted to know about wine order, but were afraid to ask. Remember, it's all about making your taste buds dance, not cry. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more wine wisdom, and let me know in the comments your most memorable wine order experience. Until next time, keep sipping, keep swirling, and stay fabulous. Cheers.